In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!